Welcome back to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 6 things you should spend your money on in your 20s. Now, if you're already making money in your 20s, I'm sure there are so many things you want to spend money on, whether to add value to yourself, or to have fun, or to create experiences. Your 20s are a time of exploration, growth, and building a foundation for the future. And in this video, I'll be guiding you through the essential things I think you should spend your money on to set you up for success in your 20s. With that being said, let's get into the video. Number 1 is spending on education. Now, investing in education is crucial during your 20s. This is a time where you have the opportunity to acquire knowledge and skills that will shape your future. Now, whether it's pursuing a degree or going for a vocational training or learning digital skills or taking online courses, investing in education opens doors and provides opportunities for personal and professional growth. Now, education equips you with the necessary skills and expertise to thrive in any field. It not only enhances your knowledge base, but also develops critical thinking, problem solving, and even communication skills. Education provides a broader perspective and a deeper understanding of the world around you. In your 20s, investing in education sets the foundation for a successful future. It increases your earning potential, it opens up career opportunities, and equips you with the tools needed to navigate an ever-changing job market. While education may require a financial investment, it is a long-term investment in yourself and your future. So make education a priority in your 20s. Number 2 is spending on travel experiences. Now, allocating a portion of your budget to travel can have a profound impact on your personal growth and your development. Exploring new cultures, visiting different countries in unfamiliar environments provides valuable life experiences. Traveling also exposes you to diverse perspectives, it challenges your comfort zone, and it also allows you to step outside of your familiar surroundings and gain a deeper understanding of the world. Now, by traveling in your 20s, you have the opportunity to make meaningful connections with people from different backgrounds and develop a sense of independence and self-reliance. It also teaches you adaptability, problem solving, and communication skills as you navigate through unfamiliar environments. Now, while traveling experiences may also require financial investment, they offer immeasurable returns. Now, the memories and the lessons gained from your adventures or from your travels will stay with you for a lifetime. So consider investing in travel during your 20s and embrace the transformative power of exploring the world. The third thing you should spend your money on in your 20s is getting high income skills. Now, I'm very sure that you know that in today's competitive job market, having valuable skills that are in demand can significantly increase your earning potential and also open up lucrative career opportunities. Now, high income skills refer to specialized skills that are highly sought after and can command a higher salary for you. Now, these skills are specific to certain industries or professions and require continuous learning and development. And by investing in high income skills in your 20s, you are equipping yourself with the tools and expertise that can set you apart from others and make you a valuable asset in the workforce. Now, these high income skills may include coding, programming, data marketing, data analysis, graphic design, copywriting, and a lot more. Now, these skills are in high demand across different industries out there, and they offer excellent earning potential. Now, investing in high income skills in your 20s can have a long-lasting impact on your financial well-being and also your professional growth. So make that wise investment of acquiring high income skills and position yourself for a successful and prosperous future. Now, the next thing you should be spending your money on is on investment. Now, investment is one of the most important things you should spend your money on, especially in your 20s. Now, it may not seem like a tangible purchase, but investing your money early on can have a significant impact on your financial future. Now, investing involves putting your money into assets with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. And in your 20s, you have the advantage of time on your side when it comes to investing. You are still young and you don't have too many responsibilities. Also, the power of compounding allows you to grow your investment exponentially over the years. And by starting early, you can take advantage of this compounding effect and potentially accumulate significant wealth by the time you reach your retirement age. Now, there are various investment options to consider in your 20s, and in my last episode of Finance for 20s, I talked about 5 investments you should do in your 20s. The link to that video will be in the description below. And it's important to know that investing comes with risk, and it's crucial to understand your risk tolerance and to seek professional advice if needed. Now, the key is to start investing early, be consistent with it, and have a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. The next thing you should be spending your money on in your 20s is emergency fund. Now, an emergency fund is an essential component of financial stability, making it one of the most important things to spend your money on in your 20s. An emergency fund is a designated savings account specifically created to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. It acts as a safety net to protect you from the financial impact of unforeseen events such as medical emergencies, car repairs, job loss, or other unexpected circumstances. Now, having an emergency fund in your 20s provides you with a sense of security and peace of mind. It also ensures that you have funds readily available to handle any urgent financial needs without relying on borrowing from others. And also, building an emergency fund requires discipline and regular contributions. So to start building your emergency fund, you can create or set a realistic savings goal and allocate a portion of your income towards it every month. Now, this amount may vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your job stability or your monthly expenses and your personal risk tolerance. And also, automating your savings can also help ensure consistent contributions and prevent the temptation to use the funds for non-emergency expenses. And by prioritizing the creation of an emergency fund, you are setting yourself up for a more stable and resilient financial future. The sixth thing you should be spending your money on in your 20s is on personal finance books. Now, personal finance books provide valuable knowledge and insight into managing your finances effectively and making informed financial decisions. Personal finance books cover a wide range of topics including budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and building wealth. And by reading personal finance books in your 20s, you can gain a better understanding of how to handle money, how to set financial goals, and create a solid financial plan for your future. Personal finance books offer practical advice and strategies for managing your income, your expenses, and your investments. They provide guidance on creating and sticking to a budget, understanding the importance of saving and investing early, and avoiding common financial pitfalls. And by learning about personal finance concepts and strategies through these personal finance books, you can develop good financial habits and make smart financial choices that will benefit you throughout your life. They also often share real-life examples and success stories which can inspire and motivate you to take control of your financial situation. So by investing in personal finance books, you are investing in your financial literacy and empowerment, equipping yourself with the tools and knowledge to make informed financial decisions throughout your life. Now, I have a video where I talked about the 6 personal finance books that will help you get rich in your 20s. I will also put the link to this video in the description below. So in conclusion, your 20s are a critical time for making smart purchases that can shape your future. By making these 6 essential purchases in your 20s, you are setting yourself up for a successful and fulfilling future. So embrace this exciting decade and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. Thank you for watching this episode of Finance for 20s. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.